Na-invite din siya sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee nun eh. Si... Kalimutan ko na yung pangalan niya eh.
If this is an ordinary person, I suppose that she will not be able to do that without somebody who's a big person behind him. Tama pa po ba? Papasok ka ng Bureau of Custom, magtatayo ka ng command center, and then you will have the control to alert the shipments coming into the port. Tama po ba? Somebody must be behind him.
Yes, Your Honor. Pero pagkakaalam ko, sila Commissioner File doon yung gumawa nun eh. Parang hindi naman siya, parang legal na, sa legal, meron bang ano yun eh.
You cannot